Occupy Parliament Season 2 is loading. The streets are calling us. We have a missed call from the streets, and we are not known to reject a call of the streets. We love the streets, and the streets love us. This week on Friday, the public participation hearings for the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua will be done in various parts of the country. I will be posting to you the location where the public participation will be held. I would like you Kenyans to turn up in large numbers wherever you are in Kenya. And the message is simple. What is good for the head is good for the neck. 2 is better than 1. Impeach them both. Whatever the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua has done, the Honorable William Ruto or the Dishonorable William Ruto has done it twice or thrice or more than 10 times, and there is evidence to that. So why not impeach them both? Why shouldn't we get rid of bad leadership and begin afresh? This is going to be our message at every single place where public participation will be held, that we want to get rid of bad leadership in Kenya, beginning now, not beginning next week, not beginning next month. We want change now. We are impatient with the way the country is being run. Therefore, Mkenya mwenzangu, hiyo siku, mark it on your calendar, clear your diary, make yourself available so that we turn up in the public participation hearings and we make our voice heard that we want both of these people who are running our country down to be impeached.